Hello, Chef David Rose and Latanza Ajay from Georgia Power, joining you again right now with the Georgia Power Chef Series at the Georgia Power Customer Resource Center. So today we're continuing the pork Wellington, and the next step in this process, we're going to add even another depth and layer of flavor. We have the pork tenderloin right here that Latanza oh so graciously seared off on the griddle. So what we're going to do now is add another layer of saltiness, flavor, and a savory note. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have this canvas right here, and we're gonna go ahead and lay out the prosciutto flat, because what we're gonna do is wrap it. So you kind of lay it out, kind of shingle it, start from that side, and work your way down there. Yeah, right in the middle, a little lower down.
All right. Now, what I love about prosciutto is it's nice and salty.
It is. It's nice and salty. Not super salty. It has a nice mild flavor to it. And I don't know about you. We were talking about it before we started filming. I just sit there and just munch and kind of snack on it. And
wrap this
I'm good with
around
that.
a little bit of mozzarella cheese.
Yes. Or some figs.
But it's so nice and thin.
It really, really is.
All right.
We're going to do lengthwise and do a couple to make sure that it's long enough also. I'll jump in here. I'll help you out as well.
Thank you.
You know, because I don't know about you, but I'm ready to eat this pork Wellington. Exactly. Now you can go home and recreate this.
I know.
You ready for that?
And I've never thought about wrapping it on the pork, so I can't wait.
It's so good. Pork on pork. You can't go wrong with that. All right. So this right here, this is going to do one of two things there. We're going to go ahead and wrap it in there. That's going to make sure it's nice and secured and tight and ensure that the juice and the fat from that delicious pork won't leak out and make the puff pastry rather soggy. So it's doing one of two things. It's creating flavor and also securing.
Like a little shelter.
Yeah, a little shelter in there. A nice little sheltered environment. Nice little of delicious prosciutto.
That's right.
Exactly. And that's what we're doing, all about building flavors and doing it in a way when it's done, you can enjoy it. It's not soggy. All right, so what we do then next is we have our duck cell. I'm gonna have you put a nice little thin layer right there in the middle.
All right, so I'm gonna try to do this graciously.
There you go. Right in the middle, be perfect. There you go.
All right. It might be a little too. Is that
that's fine. Yeah, you can do a little thinner in the middle, kind of like concentrate in the middle because we're gonna wrap it up. Yeah.
Okay.
There you go. That's perfect. That's perfect. There you go. Just like that. See, look at you.
Hey, you give me good stuff to work with.
Yes, Grandma, look at your granddaughter. She is doing her thing today.
She will be proud.
She will be proud, wouldn't she?
Shocked.
Yeah. There you go.
All right,
yeah, you can just spread all that out now.
Right.
Yeah, nice thin layer. Get that nice and uniform. It's looking good
this will be delicious.
already. Get a nice little thin layer of that duck cell.
With
the onions, yes, that's perfect.
And the apples.
And the apples, and the garlic, and the shallot, and the Madeira wine. All right, so what you do now
Look at
is...
that beautiful piece of pork.
That's good, you did a good job. But we're not done yet.
Okay.
What we want to do, we want to encase the pork tenderloin inside that delicious prosciutto.
All right.
So you want to kind of use
look at
this
the
plastic wrap.
Tricks
of the tray, baby. It's cleaner. It's more efficient. All right, so we take this, right? And from there, you want to kind of use the plastic wrap
as a guide.
to roll it as a guide. And then take that like so.
Yes, got it.
Roll it up. It's nice and secure, that nice little secure environment of meat. And then just like this, you want to make it tight and roll it. So it's like a nice kind of cylinder shape.
Right.
Just roll it up.
And are we going to cook
nice
it?
and tight. Not yet. No, what we're doing right now is we're making sure that it's nice and tight. So that way, we're going to roll it actually in the puff pastry next.
Oh, got it. That's right.
And it tightens it up. Kind of looks like, you know,
like
in a sausage casing. Exactly.
That's right.
Yep. And you just tie off the ends. I'll tie this end. You can tie that end. All right.
Nice and tight. All right.
Perfection.
She's been gift wrapped.
She's been gift wrapped. I take that for a birthday present.
I'll take it once you finish cooking it.
There we go. So what we do now then is we put it in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes, let that set up, And stay tuned for the next step. I guarantee it's going to be delicious. Right, Latanza?
Absolutely.
All
We're
right.
on the way.
And the only way to find it is here at the Chef Series at the Georgia Power Customer Resource Center. Stay tuned, guys.